Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Challenger versus Rolls-Royce. We'll explore the fundamental differences that set these two iconic vehicles apart. From their design philosophies to their intended purposes, understanding these distinctions is key. Get ready to dive into a detailed look at what makes each car unique and appealing to its specific audience. When it comes to performance, the Challenger is built for raw power and speed, often featuring supercharged V8 engines. Rolls-Royce, however, focuses on a serene and commanding driving experience, with engines designed for quiet strength and seamless acceleration. While both are powerful, their approach to performance is distinctly different, reflecting their core identities. Stepping inside, the contrast is striking. A Rolls-Royce cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, handcrafted with the finest leathers, woods, and metals, offering an incredibly quiet and refined experience. The Challenger provides a more performance-oriented interior, blending classic muscle car aesthetics with contemporary technology, designed to engage the driver directly. Considering price, a Dodge Challenger offers incredible performance value, with many models available for under $60,000. Rolls-Royce vehicles represent the pinnacle of automotive luxury, with prices often reaching well over $500,000, reflecting their bespoke nature and exclusivity. Each car delivers immense value within its segment. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.